In question 2, you are given a regression equation, also some data. In part A, you're asked to interpret the slope, and notice that each one of these options starts with for every 1,000 pound increase. Usually when we talk about slope, we say for a 1 unit increase in weight, predicted gas mileage decreases by 0.0055. If we want to talk about a 1,000 unit increase instead of a 1 unit increase, then you just need to multiply this number by 1,000, and everything else about the interpretation stays the same. In part B, you're asked about the predicted mileage and a residual for the Hummer H2, so that's talking about this last row in the table. To find the predicted, you can just use the prediction equation, so you're going to change this x to what the weight of the Hummer is, which is 6350. That will give you some number. That's going to be your predicted value of y. Residual is equal to the actual value of y minus the predicted value of y. So we're told that the actual value of y is 17, and this is the predicted value of y, whatever that number was. This will give you some other number, and that's your residual. The last part of the question is asking you to interpret the residual. So let's say that this residual had been positive 2. It's not. Let's say that it is. That means that the Hummer H2 gets 2 more miles per gallon than we would predict. And if this had been something like -3, this means the Hummer H2 gets 3 fewer miles per gallon than we would predict. So the sign of the residual is important in the interpretation.